Take these 4 natural tea drinks every day if you want healthy kidney. Welcome back my channel after a short time. Today we're brewing something special for your kidney. Kidney play a crucial role in our body, filtering waste and extra fluids. But what happens when they're not at their best? That's where we step in with nature's own solutions. Kidney issues often arise from inflammation, fluids, retention, and toxin. Fortunately, certain herbal teas are nature's gift packed with anti-inflammatory. Ever wondered which herbal are your kidney's best friends? Now let's embark on this flavorful journey to kidney health. Ginger tea offers potential benefits for kidney health through various mechanisms. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation, potentially benefiting the kidneys by alleviating stress on the renal system. Ginger is rich in antioxidants that can help combat oxidative stress in the body. This may contribute to protecting the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Some studies suggest that ginger may help regulate blood sugar levels. Managing blood sugar is crucial for kidney health, as high levels over time can contribute to kidney damage. Ginger has been associated with blood pressure lowering effects. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is essential for kidney function, as elevated blood pressure can strain the kidneys over time. Ginger has mild diuretic properties, promoting urine production. Adequate urine production is important for flushing out toxins and waste products from the kidneys. While ginger tea may offer potential benefits, it's essential to remember that individual responses can vary. If you have specific kidney concerns or medical conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Let's explore number 2, Nettle Leaf Tea. Nettle leaf tea, often consumed as nettle tea or in supplement form, is believed to offer several potential benefits for kidney health. Nettle leaf tea is considered a natural diuretic, promoting increased urine production. This diuretic effect may help in flushing out toxins and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Nettle leaf contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. This may be beneficial for individuals with kidney conditions by reducing inflammation and easing stress on the kidneys. Rich in antioxidants, nettle leaf tea may help combat oxidative stress. This is important for protecting the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Some studies suggest that nettle leaf tea may contribute to lowering blood pressure. Maintaining a healthy blood pressure level is crucial for kidney health, as high blood pressure can lead to kidney damage over time. Nettle leaf may have properties that inhibit the formation of certain types of kidney stones. By preventing the crystallization of minerals in the kidneys, it may reduce the risk of stone formation. As with any herbal remedy, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating nettle leaf into your routine, especially if you have pre-existing kidney conditions or are taking medications. Moving on, number 3, Horsetail Tea. Horsetail tea, made from the dried stems of the horsetail plant, is believed to offer potential benefits for kidney health through various mechanisms. Horsetail tea is known for its diuretic effect, promoting increased urine production. This diuretic action may assist in flushing out excess fluids, toxins, and waste products from the kidneys. By supporting a healthy fluid balance, horsetail tea may contribute to kidney detoxification and potentially reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Horsetail is a rich source of silica, a compound that may play a role in maintaining connective tissues and strengthening bones. While more research is needed, some believe that the silica in horsetail tea could have positive effects on kidney health by potentially supporting the structural integrity of the kidneys and surrounding tissues. Horsetail contains antioxidants and has been traditionally used for its anti-inflammatory properties. These qualities may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, offering a protective effect against damage caused by oxidative stress. By mitigating inflammation, horsetail tea may contribute to maintaining optimal kidney function. It's important to approach herbal remedies with caution and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing kidney conditions or are taking medications, as the effects of herbal teas can vary among individuals. Finally, we have arrived number 4. Dandelion Tea. Dandelion tea, made from the dried roots or leaves of the dandelion plant, is believed to offer potential benefits for kidney health through several mechanisms. Dandelion tea is a natural diuretic, promoting increased urine production. This diuretic effect may help flush out excess sodium and water from the body, supporting kidney function by aiding in the elimination of waste products and toxins. Proper diuresis can contribute to a healthy fluid balance and potentially reduce the risk of kidney stones. Despite its diuretic properties, Dandelion tea is unique in that it is rich in potassium, a crucial electrolyte that plays a role in maintaining proper fluid balance in the body. Unlike some diuretics that can deplete potassium levels, dandelion tea may help ensure a balance of electrolytes, supporting overall kidney health. Dandelion tea contains antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds may help combat oxidative stress in the body, potentially protecting the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, dandelion tea may contribute to maintaining the long-term health of the kidneys. While dandelion tea is generally considered safe for many individuals,